going on today, guys? And welcome back to another episode of Fix It Garage and this awesome EG Civic project. If you guys don't remember, last time we installed the Ghost key and the NRG quick release steering wheel. So today's on the menu. If you guys don't remember, last time we installed that Ghost key and the quick release steering wheel. Today we're gonna be installing some braces and some awesome new headlights. But that's enough of me talking. Let's get right into tearing apart this front end so we can install the braces and the headlights. All right, so we got the whole front end torn apart. We got the fenders off, all the lights out, so we can put all the new lighting in, and we can put some door bars on. All right, so we have these ultra racing door bars that we're gonna put on, which is why we had to take off the fenders. So the door bar goes right here, and what it is supposed to do is add some strength into this front frame rail, I guess you'd call it, or support, and this is supposed to help prevent flex when the suspension's under compression. At least that's what they tell you it's supposed to do.
The camera when you speak.
Okay. So, when you install these up here, there's no holes. So we're gonna have to drill 2 holes here in order to install it. Now the kit comes with 2 bolts and 2 nuts. And right here, there's no easy way to get the bolts in and feed them through to be able to install it. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to drill 2 holes, install riv nuts and bolts on here, which will be just as strong, if not stronger, than running a bolt and nut on the car. And it will make the install a whole lot easier and a lot less time consuming. Well, it should be on.
Yeah, it's fine.
Wait, I think it's actually recording a video.
Yep.
That ain't going nowhere. You have to be a lot closer, that thing won't hear me. That's the one drawback. Oh, not that close, too close, too close! All right, let's take a look at what we got done. If you take a look at this, we've got these door bars in. You saw that we drilled our holes and we put in riv nuts instead of trying to fish bolts through this hole. If you're gonna install these, I highly recommend just using a riv nut because fishing something through here is going to be a big pain, and it's so much easier. Just riv nut, bolts, done. We marked our door, so in case it moved, we could line it back up when we're done. Luckily, there was enough seam sealer, it didn't move when we took the bolts out. So we got that all on and done. So now we can put our fenders on. And you can also see here, that's nice and tight. It is now rigid. You can put the fenders back on and then put in these brand new headlights and corner lights. Ah! Jesus Christ, man. All right, so we got the fenders back on. Now we can go ahead and throw in our headlights and our marker lights. First off with the headlights, we have our old one here. Nice OEM glass headlight. Absolutely nothing wrong with these. He would like some black housing headlights, so we have our new black housing headlights. The biggest difference is these are plastic lenses instead of the glass. They're a lot lighter weight. Other than that, they're just another headlight. So let's go ahead and put these things in and keep rolling. All right, so we got the headlights, corner lights, and everything all reinstalled. And, well, there's a reason why I don't recommend aftermarket headlights. The gaps right now are not amazing. Some of that has to do with the fact that the front end of this car has been damaged. Another thing is just aftermarket headlights sometimes don't fit as well. I am going to keep messing with this off camera and try to get all of these gaps a little bit better, but I don't know how much better you're gonna get when you can tell from here that the core support is definitely not straight because you have a high to low on this bumper. So that's just something we're gonna have to try and fix or live with. Now that we got all of this done, we can move on to this lovely brace that we have right here. This rear brace is going to bolt between the rear coilovers and a chassis bolt in the back. Let's go ahead and let's install this thing real quick and we can see kind of how it works. Alrighty guys, we got that rear brace installed. Just look at that, looks really, really nice installed. This is gonna help tie the strut towers up to here and provide a lot of rear structural rigidity, help the back end be a little bit stiffer. As far as install goes, well, it was a little bit of a challenge. We had to do a little bit of modification in here to allow it to clear the lip on the rear strut, and the brackets to me look like they were installed backwards because it's supposed to sit on this strut and then go up to this bracket for the seat where the seatbelt buckle goes. And there was no way this bar was gonna go here based on how the bracket is. So we had to grind it down, and as soon as we ground it down, push the struts down out of the way, it fit just fine. It went right in, the holes all lined up. I was able to bolt it up super easy, and it looks really good from the backside. And if you look in this way too, it looks really good. So that is fully installed, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. And I also think that that's a perfect perfect stopping point for us today? Well, we got those front braces installed between the door and the front frame rail to help strengthen it. We got those brand new headlights and corner lights installed and looking fresh for being an aftermarket set. And we got that rear brace installed. I'll go ahead and throw the seats in off camera. That's 4 12mm bolts for each seat, and that is done. So that is gonna do it for this round of parts. So I feel like we got quite a bit accomplished today, and we got this car one step closer to being a little bit more finished. We have a long way to go on this project, and we're making some good headway right now, but now the car's gonna go away for a while and come back, and we'll do even more parts. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see what we have going on next. But I wanna thank all of you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to smash the like button, leave some comments down below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of this little EG project. It's only gonna keep getting better from here. This is just kind of the starting point. Now we're gonna start doing even more fun stuff at the next, when it comes back again for more work. You guys aren't gonna wanna miss it. But thank you guys all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.